Hey neighbors, we're back out at Sandbrock Ranch at this adorable Highland home that we're building for some of our clients. It is a little bit warm out here today, but the builders are coming along, making some good progress on it. Let's go take a quick tour, see what's going on. Looks like we've got some drywall work going on, maybe some texturing and bedding, so we're gonna try to stay out of their way. Yep, the drywall was just hung, so they're taping and bedding and getting it all up. This is looking really good. So guys, I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to get a shot. I don't know how well you can see it. Can you see that that's actually a screw? So I want to talk about that just a little bit. One of the reasons we get nail pops is because our soils move. And one of the easiest cures for nail pops is to actually use drywall screws. But drywall screws, they cost a little more to install and they take a little longer to install. So our builders typically, the lower grade builders will typically just do nails, just nail them up with a nail gun. But when you see the drywall screws in, that's just a higher quality install. So you can tell there where they've taped and bedded, right? Soon they'll spray texture on it. Down here they haven't done it. You can still see the nails and all that. There they've got all the material over it. It's ready for painting. So when you see the screws going in, oh my gosh, doesn't it look gorgeous? That just looks awesome. That's a really big, majestic space. I don't know if you can see just how pretty that looks with the windows, how open this is. This is a really great floor plan, by the way. Very open, has a wonderful feel to it. Now, I'm not gonna go in where the guys are set up and working. I'm not gonna get in their way. But see how you can just walk into the media room? So we're in the media room. Let me show you real quick, bear with me. So here's the media room. It's a nice big media room. The TV area is recessed. And then out here, you got the big family room with these really high ceilings, fireplace, the kitchen, it's gonna be over there, and then the entry. Just looks really great. And then you've got this massive covered back porch. There you can see some more of the framing. Highland does a really good job on these. And then here's just, I don't know if you can tell, look how high those ceilings are, all the way down. And then into the master. And again, really tall ceilings, big wall of windows. Into the master bath. They'll have the double lavatories over here. Then you've got this walk-in shower, right? Of course, you all know that the glass mat backboard is to make sure it's even more waterproof. Y'all are already up to that. And then see the master closet's here, but we can walk through and get to the utility room, right? Got your washer and dryer over there. You got it stubbed out for a sink over here. And that's one of the cool things about some floor plans you'll encounter, has the master closet where all the dirty clothes are right next to where you need to wash them. And then there's the facilities. The toilet will go in there eventually. And again, see the big eyebrow arch and how these ceilings have all that detail work. It's just really gonna be a beautiful house. It's gonna look great. You've got your 2 vents there for the air conditioning. That's what it looked like in the real world, but the camera lens is over there. And then you've got your return over there. And so any of you guys that wonder, why do we always put vents and a return in almost every room? It helps pressurize, or helps stabilize the pressure so there's not a difference in pressure between rooms, so that when the air conditioning comes on, all the doors don't slam shut and smash everybody's fingers. Well guys, today's quick. They're in here working and I want to get out of their way. They got a lot of work to do to get all this done. And they got the doors open, so it's nice in here. It's not too bad at all. Back out in the sun, it's just a beating, but it's looking great. They've got your sidewalk in, the bricks arrived, The brick's over there. I didn't show it to you, but it's over there. The masonry sand's here. See all the masonry sand? And it's coming along. It's not gonna be, it'll be here faster than you think, though we still have a few months left before you can move in. All right, guys, I hope y'all are staying safe. Haven't seen y'all in forever. It'd be fun to go grab a coffee whenever you get some time. All right, you guys stay safe. I hope God blesses and keeps you and causes His face to shine upon each and every one of you guys until we see each other again.